Hi! In this video we're going to show you how to view results from previous skills reflections on Skills Builder Benchmark. As you complete skills reflections on Benchmark at different points in time, you may wish to go back and view previous results to compare to your most recent reflections. To do this, start on your Learner dashboard and click History. Here, you can see a table with all of your previous reflections. You can filter by skill or date to quickly find the past reflections you are looking for. The table will show you the skill score and top strengths and areas for development. If you want to see further detail, you can download the associated skills report. Here, you will be able to see exactly what you answered for each question on page 2. We hope you found this video useful. To get started, go to skillsbuilder.org/benchmark.